Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to film a really quick makeup look for you guys today. I wore a makeup look the other day and I posted it on Instagram, and I just had so many overwhelming, amazing responses about this look, and they were like, film, you know, teach us how to do this. And so I was like, all right, I'm gonna do it. So just wanted to create a short little glam makeup look for you guys, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take some eyeshadow primer. You guys can use whatever primer you want, but I'm going to use the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And I'm just going to take a little bit and put it on my finger, like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it all over my eyelid, and we're going to start there. Okay, so after our eyeshadow primer is down, we're gonna take a light to medium colored brown. And for this look, we are going to use the Tarlette palette. I don't know, Amazonian clay matte palette. And we are going to use the color Wanderer. And I'm just gonna use like a packing brush for this. And we're gonna put it on the outside of our eye here. So we're going to take this as far up as we want to take it, just to kind of get that base color down. Okay, we're going to use the same packing brush, and this time we're going to dip into the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we are going to use the color Raw Sienna. Using the same brush, we are going to put this right over the brown we just did, and instead of putting it all the way up to the top of our eyebrow, we're just going to do the crease. And maybe a little bit past the crease as well, just to give a little bit of dimension. Okay, so before we move on, let's go ahead and start the other eye. That way we can have both eyes done. We're gonna start with our eyeshadow primer, and we're gonna put that all over our lid. And again, we're gonna take our packing brush. Dive back into this Wanderer color. Now we're going to dive back into our Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and we're going to use the color Raw Sienna. And we're just going to line the crease again with that color. Okay, perfect. So this is where we're at now. And now to get the cute green color, I'm actually going to dive into my Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. We're gonna open this up, and the color we're going to be using is this color right in the middle. Now to get the really shiny look that I like, I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna dip it into this color. So you should have a little bit of color on your hand now. And we are going to put that all over our eyelid. And we're going to do the same on the other eye. All right, and to finish out the look, we're gonna go back into our Tarlette palette, and we're actually going to use the color Multitasker, and we're gonna take our packing brush. We're only gonna take a little bit of the Multitasker color, and we're gonna tap it on the outside of our eye. You're welcome to use as much dark brown as you want. Okay, so this is how we look right now, and that's really it for the top of our lids. Now all we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the bottom part of our eye. And now what we're gonna do is we are going to take our eyeliner. So I'm actually gonna use, this is the Tarte double take eyeliner, or double effect eyeliner. And I'm going to use the, not the liquid portion, but just the pencil portion. And we're actually going to go underneath our eye. We're gonna put eyeliner underneath our eye. So let me see if I can do this without poking myself in the eye. Okay, so now that we've got the black liner on our underside, we're gonna go back in with our Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette, and we're going to go back in with the sparkly color, and I'm actually going to use kind of a tapered eyeshadow brush now. And we are going to put a little of the green on the underside of the eye. Okay guys, the last thing we're gonna do for the eyeshadow is we're gonna go back into our Huda Beauty palette. We are going to take this color down in the corner on our tapered eyeshadow brush, and we're gonna put some more underneath our eye. And we're not gonna put too much, but just to give it some dimension. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in using my hacking brush, and I'm going to go kind of even all of this out. All right, you guys, so that is it for the eyeshadow. Now, the only thing left to do is to put our false lashes on. So the first thing that I do when I put my false lashes on is I curl my eyelashes with an eyelash curler. So I'm gonna attempt to do this on camera because it's kind of difficult. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of mascara to kind of give my eyes and my eyelashes a little bit of a boost. So I use this Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. And now that I've curled my lashes, it's going to give it a little bit of boost. And I want to get a little bit more dimension to my false eyelashes. And this mascara is absolutely amazing. I love it so much. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna attempt to put my false lashes on while on camera. It's going to be kind of difficult, but just bear with me. So I've got some falsies here, and these are just Ardell false wispy lashes, and you can get them at Ulta. The one that I have comes in like a set of 5. So I'm just gonna use some simple wispies for this look since I already have some mascara on. So I've got tweezers and I've got my eyelashes. I'm gonna kind of like lean in so I can see what the heck I'm doing. Hopefully I don't poke my eye out in the process. Let's see here. Okay, and the only other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put mascara on the underside of my eye to finish out the look. Alright guys, easy peasy. This is the finished makeup look. And if you guys are wondering, I used just a kind of a nude color on my lips with some clear lip gloss. The color that I used, if you want to know, is the Melted Matte Too Faced Child Star. This is the color and it's very nude on me, but just make sure if you want to do a nude color, you use whatever is nude on you. And then just a clear lip gloss over the top, and you are ready to go. You guys, super easy, super simple, keeping it simple. And if you guys have any questions, obviously let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys liked this video or you like watching my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so I can continue to bring some awesome, fun, quick, easy, and just all around awesome and glam makeup looks. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.